Hi, I hope you're doing really well. I'd like to take just a moment and tell you about the latest features of Creative Board, Optima's digital whiteboard platform. I'm working today with my 65-inch Optima 5 Series Creative Touch interactive display. These are also available in 75 and 86-inch sizes. They feature 4K UHD resolution, 40 points of touch, 20-watt stereo speakers. They are plug-and-play compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, as well as Linux. Additionally, they feature a whole host of wireless casting and collaboration capabilities, some of which we're going to cover today. Creative Board offers a multi-page workspace. Each page is also an infinite canvas, expandable to accommodate large amounts of content. The basic features of Creative Board are fantastic. The dual-tip pen, in conjunction with the floating toolbar, allows for the use of two different functions on the fly. The active pen holder also lets you start a new session in seconds. All your Google Classroom materials can be easily accessed from a dedicated menu embedded in the whiteboard. The first newly released feature is actually found on the home screen, where you can sign into either your Google or Optima account via a QR code. Once signed in, all your existing whiteboard files are instantly available. Your Google Drive is loaded within the Creative Touch file system, so items may be easily imported from your cloud storage. While a digital whiteboard has been available since the launch of Creative Touch in 2018, Creative Board Web is a browser-based interface allowing users to view or edit the whiteboard space. The web interface allows users to create, view, and edit whiteboard files without being in front of a board. During office hours, for example, teachers can set up their lesson plans and content. Then, when they launch the app in the classroom, their files are just the way they left them. Remote participants can join from anywhere in the world with internet access and a web browser. Remote users can collaborate either real-time or asynchronously, as the whiteboard files live perpetually on the cloud. The owner of a whiteboard file may add users by entering an email address to grant access, or by simply sharing an access code. An entire Google class of students may also be added in a single step. Added users have only viewer access by default, but can easily be elevated to editor access. Creative Board's web interface allows for all the same content manipulation options found on the boards themselves. We have just added more than 100 pre-made templates, appropriate for both corporate and education use. These include a ton of options for all the K-12 subjects, including reading, writing, math, science, and geography. We've also added handwriting recognition. Handwritten words can now be converted into easy-to-read text. Many educators and corporate users are going to love the addition of the ability to import Google Slides as whiteboard backgrounds. Select the import function from the floating toolbar, select the slides file, and choose the slides to be imported. Note that it's quite convenient to be able to select specific slides instead of being forced to input all the slides at once. Each slide is then added as a separate page within the whiteboard. Because Google is able to convert PowerPoint files to Google Slides format, this essentially allows for the importing of PowerPoint files as backgrounds. Keep in mind that all these features are available at no additional cost beyond the purchase of your Creative Touch interactive displays. For more information, click on the links below or contact your Optima representative. You can always visit us at optimausa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.